Schleich's llama is an impressively detailed model of the unusual farm animal. Its thick cream hair is textured across its entire body, and its ears are standing tall as it looks ahead, alert with its black eyes wide. This llama figurine is perfect for your modern farm animal collection. This desert fox is an adorable model of the desert-dwelling fennec fox. Its gorgeous big ears are perfect for hearing, detecting prey, and releasing body heat in its hot and sandy North African home. It is painted mostly cream, with lighter patches on its chest, paws, ears, and tail. Its large black eyes make it irresistible, and you can't help but fall in love with this sweet desert fox figure. Schleich's platypus is an accurate model of the iconic and unique Australian animal. The platypus is an egg-laying mammal that resides in rivers and lakes, but it's the black, duck-like bill that sends electrical impulses that makes this unusual creature truly exceptional. Schleich's platypus figurine is painted mostly brown with a lighter underbelly and is textured beautifully to highlight its glossy, insulated fur. This Jack Russell Terrier is the perfect model of a man's best friend. The mostly white terrier has light brown patches over its tail, eyes and ears, and is sculptured in a standing position, looking ahead with its tail in the air. This playful pup is a great farm play companion or simply a lovable pet. Schleich's Bengal Cat is a detailed model of the intelligent and exotic domesticated feline. Painted predominantly cream with brown leopard spots and rosettes, and a green-eyed stare. This cat figurine is a representation of the energetic breed, as it's always ready to play. Schleich's Warthog is a great replica of the African beast. It is sculpted in a walking position, looking ahead with its tail flicking against its back leg. Its hairy and wrinkled body is painted brown, as are its strange protective warts on its snout, while its mane and hooves are black, and its curved defensive tusks are white. Schleich's Vulture is an impressive model of the majestic bird of prey. This griffon vulture figurine is sculptured in a standing position. Its feathers are painted mostly brown and its neck is featherless and white. Its beady eyes are brown and its sharp beak is white, perfect for hunting carrion. Make sure you check out the other videos we made of these new releases to see the rest of the figurines. The link will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.